Subnet bookmark. There are the fields: website, title, category, tags, location, email, phone number, address, and then a description of 250 characters. As you see, I have added all these fields according to a beauty parlor salon. Its website, the target that we want to bookmark, then the title, category, and three tags: location, Gmail, phone number, and the address. And then after description must be of 250 characters. And then I will check these two check boxes. And when I hit this preview and submit, it will be uh, submit for preview. And then after the approval, it will be live.